Hey there, beach lovers and vacation enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the sun-soaked world of Sandos Playacar All-Inclusive Resort in beautiful Playa del Carmen, Mexico. Grab your virtual sunscreen and let's explore this tropical paradise together. Let's kick things off with the accommodations at Sandos Playacar. This resort offers a variety of room types to suit every traveler's needs. Whether you're looking for a cozy garden view room or a luxurious oceanfront suite, they've got you covered. The garden or pool view rooms are perfect for those who want to wake up to lush greenery or sparkling pool waters. These rooms come equipped with all the essentials, including air conditioning, a minibar, and a coffee maker. Because let's face it, we all need our morning caffeine fix, even in paradise. For the adults seeking a more exclusive experience, the select club rooms are the way to go. These ocean view rooms offer breathtaking vistas of the Caribbean Sea. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while watching the sun rise over the turquoise waters. Now that's what I call starting the day right. But wait, there's more. Select club guests also get access to a private oceanfront pool, premium drinks, and an exclusive beach area with hammocks. It's like being a VIP in your own tropical kingdom. Families, fear not. The Hacienda section rooms and family section rooms are designed with you in mind. These spacious accommodations can fit up to 5 guests, perfect for those traveling with kids or a group of friends. The Hacienda rooms even come with a living room, giving you extra space to spread out and relax. And let's not forget the family section rooms with their bunk beds, a surefire way to make the kids feel like they're on their own little adventure. Now, let's talk about the most important part of any vacation: the food. Sandos Playacar doesn't disappoint when it comes to dining options. With multiple restaurants offering a variety of cuisines, your taste buds are in for a treat. The buffet restaurant is perfect for those who like to sample a bit of everything. From fresh fruits and pastries for breakfast to international dishes for dinner, you'll never go hungry here. But if you're in the mood for something a little more special, the a la carte restaurants are where it's at. Fancy some Italian pasta? They've got you covered. Craving some sushi? No problem. And of course, being in Mexico, you can't miss out on the authentic Mexican cuisine. Just remember to save room for dessert. The sweet treats here are to die for. And let's not forget about the bars. Whether you're lounging by the pool, chilling on the beach, or getting ready for a night out, there's a bar nearby to quench your thirst. The swim-up bars are a personal favorite. There's something magical about sipping a piña colada while half submerged in a pool. And for those who like their drinks with a view, the rooftop bar offers stunning panoramas of the Caribbean Sea. Just be careful not to get too caught up in the view and forget about your drink, although I'm sure the friendly bartenders would be happy to top you up. Speaking of pools, Sandos Playacar has enough of them to make you feel like you're in aquatic heaven. The main pool is a sprawling oasis, perfect for swimming laps or just floating around aimlessly. No judgment here, we're on vacation after all. For those who like a bit more action, there's a pool with water slides, because who says kids should have all the fun? And if you're staying in the Select Club, you get access to a private oceanfront pool. It's like having your own personal slice of paradise. But let's not forget about the beach. Half a mile of pristine white sand stretches out before you, just begging to be explored. The gentle waves of the Caribbean Sea provide the perfect soundtrack to your beach day. Whether you want to work on your tan, build sandcastles, or try your hand at some water sports, the beach at Sandos Playacar has got you covered. And the best part? The resort provides loungers, umbrellas, and towels, so all you need to bring is yourself and your sense of adventure. Now, if you're the type who can't sit still even on vacation, don't worry. Sandos Playacar has plenty of activities to keep you entertained. The fitness center is well equipped for those who want to keep up with their workout routine. And if you're feeling a bit more adventurous, why not try your hand at snorkeling, kayaking, or paddleboarding? The crystal clear waters of the Caribbean are perfect for exploring the underwater world. For those who prefer their activities on dry land, there's tennis, beach volleyball, and even dance classes. And let's not forget about the nightly entertainment. From live music to themed parties, there's always something going on to keep the fun going well into the night. But vacation isn't just about being active. Sometimes you need to slow down and pamper yourself. That's where the spa comes in. The spa at Sandos Playacar is a haven of relaxation and rejuvenation. Treat yourself to a massage to work out those travel kinks, or indulge in a facial to give your skin that vacation glow. The sauna and steam room are perfect for detoxing. And let's face it, after all that delicious food and drinks, a little detox might be in order. And if you're feeling a bit more zen, why not join a yoga class? There's nothing quite like doing downward dog with the sound of waves in the background. Now, if you're traveling with kids, you might be wondering, but what about the little ones? Well, fear not. Sandos Playacar has thought of everything. The Kids Club is a paradise within a paradise for the younger guests. With supervised activities ranging from arts and crafts to mini discos, your kids will be having so much fun, they might not want to leave. There's even a water park with slides and splash zones, perfect for cooling off on those hot Mexican days. But the fun doesn't stop at the resort. Sandos Playacar is perfectly situated to explore some of the Riviera Maya's most exciting attractions. Just a short drive away is the eco-adventure park Selha, where you can snorkel in natural lagoons, float down lazy rivers, and even swim with dolphins. For those interested in Mayan culture, the ancient ruins of Tulum are a must-visit. And if you're feeling really adventurous, why not take a day trip to Cozumel Island? The ferry leaves right from Playa del Carmen, and you'll be treated to some of the best snorkeling and diving in the world. So what's the overall verdict on Sandos Playacar? Well, if you're looking for a resort that offers a little bit of everything, this might just be your perfect match. The rooms are comfortable and well-appointed, the dining options are varied and delicious, and the activities are endless. The staff receives consistently high praise for their friendliness and attentiveness, always going the extra mile to make sure guests have a memorable stay. But what really makes Sandos Playacar stand out is its commitment to providing a truly all-inclusive experience. Unlike some resorts where you might find yourself constantly reaching for your wallet, here, almost everything is included in your stay. From the premium drinks to the water sports, you can indulge to your heart's content without worrying about the bill at the end. That being said, no resort is perfect. Some guests have mentioned that the Wi-Fi can be a bit spotty in certain areas of the resort. But hey, maybe that's the universe's way of telling you to disconnect and enjoy your vacation. And while the rooms are comfortable, they might not be the most modern or luxurious you've ever seen. But with so much to do outside your room, you probably won't be spending much time in it anyway. One of the unique selling points of Sandos Playacar is its commitment to sustainability and eco-friendliness. The resort has implemented various initiatives to reduce its environmental impact, from using biodegradable products to supporting local conservation efforts, so you can feel good about your vacation, knowing that you're staying at a place that cares about preserving the beautiful natural environment it calls home. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.